Hey everyone, just a quick video here on some vinyl techniques. So we're going to talk about weeding. Weeding is actually when you take the vinyl, you put it on the plotter, and then the vinyl plotter cuts it with a blade, and it comes out looking like this. And then what you want to do is you want to weed away the excess material. So we'll talk about weeding, we'll talk about transfer tape, and then we'll talk about layering graphics. I don't want to take a whole lot of time on this video. I just kind of want to hit the basics. So some of the tools we use here, some tweezers, scissors, of course. Smaller scissors are helpful. And then this is a weeding tool. This is another type of razor blade. And this is for when we put the transfer tape on. And we'll talk a little bit about that in a second. But you see here that we have these little pieces that we're going to need to take out, right? So we can have our letters. We're using reflective vinyl right here. This is a pretty cool product, actually. It weeds pretty easily, but I found that not all reflective vinyl weeds this easy. For some reason, black doesn't tend to weed that easy on the product I use. Most of the products I'm using are 3M or another type of vinyl from a local supplier in Corona, California called Platinum Craft Vinyl, and they have a website, so you can check them out, and they have pretty good prices. So that's where this came from. So as you can see, this weed's actually really easy. The word is quint. Quint is a lot of the stickers I do are for firefighting, and quint is actually a type of fire engine that has water and a ladder truck. So we can see there, it all came out pretty nicely. So that's done. What's going to happen actually is this is going to be layered. So I'm going to show you a little example of layering. Here's the one. What we'd like to do to give us a little bit of a shortcut, or a little, so here's a little tip. You can put a little piece of tape, because what you don't want to happen is the static clean come up when you're not ready for it. So we'll take our letter. This is our transfer tape. We're going to transfer this material onto this material. It comes in different rolls. It comes in large ones like this, or like this. And then this one is a sizer, I'm not sure how you say it, product. It's pretty popular, and this is what I like to use. It's got lines for lining things up, but the lines don't really mean a whole lot. So we're going to do the one first, the black one. Again, these are both reflective. And then we have our little squeegee here. So this should come off pretty easily, and it does. So we throw away our trash, and then this is the hard part to do on camera because I don't want to get my head in front of it. But as you can see, we're going to line up this number right over the outline. So we're going to have a black reflective with a silver reflective. And it's actually going to come out pretty cool. We'll take off the tape. All right. So we'll give it another little, make sure that we got a good adhesion there. Then we can take our scissors and cut it down and make it look nice and pretty. So I make custom vinyl decals. You can check out my website, fireballgraphic.com. I'll be posting some more videos coming up soon on different things with the plotter and different techniques that I've found successful in the last couple years that I've been doing this just as a side gig. And by the way, it is a good little side gig. You can make a little bit of extra money, or maybe if you stay home most of the time or you're not working currently. But that actually came out looking pretty good. So it doesn't take a whole lot of effort, maybe a little trial and error. And I'm gonna get back to work here and finish up all these. So have a good day. If you like the video, please give us a thumbs up.